Ever have a PDF that won't rip? Use Acrobat to optimize the PDF. Or, if it helps, flatten the PDF. Here's how. Open Acrobat. I'll show doing this in Windows. It works the same for macOS. With no PDFs open, go to the Tools tab. If your Tools pane on the right isn't showing, go to the View menu. Show Hide. Enable Tools pane. If you don't have Action Wizard in the Tools, scroll down a bit to the section Customize. Under Action Wizard, click Add. And it's added to your Tools pane on the right. Any of these tools you can drag to reorder them. I like mine alphabetical, so I'll put Action Wizard at the top. In the Tools pane, click Action Wizard. The Tools pane is replaced by the Actions list. Along the top are choices to work with actions. Click New Action. On the left, open the section Save and Export. Select Save and click the plus and arrow to add it. Click Specify Settings. Enable Add to Original File Names. In the input, insert after, enter a dash and pp for Prepress, or any other suffix you prefer. For output format, leave it as Adobe PDF. Enable the checkbox PDF Optimizer. Click the button Settings. In the Settings list, choose Standard as a starting point. Set the compatibility to Acrobat 8 and later. In the category list on the left, click Images. The checkbox next to it should be enabled. Then on the right, set the resolution and quality you want. For Prepress, I use 300 pixels per inch and JPEG maximum quality for both color and grayscale. Monochrome images turn off downsample. Set compression to CCITT Group 4. The Fonts category, disable the checkbox. We don't want to touch any fonts. Transparency, leave unchecked. In the category Discard Objects, check All. Discard User Data, check All. Clean up, compress entire file, and check All. Click OK and give it a name. I'll use Prepress. Click OK and again, and then Save. Now give the action a name. I'll also call it Prepress. And then Save. Now give it a try. In Action Wizard, choose Prepress. Click Add Files and select the files to process. I have 3 to demonstrate, but the folder could have any number of PDFs. Click Start, and Acrobat gets to work. Each PDF is opened, PDF Optimizer is used to improve it, and the result is saved. When done, have a look in File Explorer. And there are optimized PDFs ready for a Prepress workflow. In many cases, this optimization is all you need. But some Prepress workflows might still have trouble with certain PDFs. Perhaps the workflow is older, and it struggles with transparency. The next step is to flatten the PDFs. Go back to Acrobat. Tools tab. Click Action Wizard. Along the top, select Manage Actions. With Prepress selected, click the button Copy. Change the name to Flatten. With Flatten selected, click the button Edit. First, it needs a different suffix. Let's use Flat. Next, adjust the PDF Optimizer settings. Use Prepress with a few changes. First, change compatibility to Acrobat 4, which enables the section Transparency. Because Acrobat 4 doesn't support transparency, so the PDF must be flattened. Select High Resolution. Click Save. Name the settings Flatten. Click OK and again until back to Edit Action. Click the button Save and it's done. Click Flatten. Add the files again. Then click Start. When done, have a look in File Explorer. There are the flattened versions. Let's look at the difference. This box is told to be transparent. No matter where it's moved, it stays transparent, and the content below it remains in place. But when flattened, the box is an image instead. The difference is clear when moving it now. Flattening simulates transparency by creating composite images that give the same result. And in some cases, that can be the difference between a PDF that won't rip and one that will. I've packaged both actions into a download. Get it at the link in the description. Once downloaded, get back to Manage Actions. Click the button Import. Navigate to the download and select it. Click Open. And it's added to Action Wizard. Like this video and subscribe. Also, leave a comment. All feedback is welcome. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.